Okay, my people, I don't carry another one combo, but this one are the popular okra soup wey you know. But let me teach you how to make it very slimy. I guess so many people say when they make okra soup, it's not very slimy. Let me show you the trick, what we do. First, you go in with any protein of your choice protein. Remember, it doesn't have to be my own protein, but in here, I have some beef. I just spiced this with my garlic and ginger paste, curry, thyme, and for more protein, I have some stockfish here, the fresh one in here. Remember, it doesn't have to be my own protein. You can use any choice protein. You don't have to be a wasabi cook. Everywhere must marama to make the soup come out well. I have some curds. I have some mockery fish. I will just rinse this with my lemon. You know how we do it now. But you can rinse with salt or anything you like to use to rinse your fish. I'll just gently rinse this. Now for the okra, I'll tell you what we'll do to this okra. If you remember, if you've watched my previous video, you will know when I'm making okra soup, I have different shades of okra. Yes, you want to do the same thing here. I'll just go in with another sort of protein for more. I'll add this into the meat so everything will cook properly. I'll stir this around. Remember, use your choice protein. Must not be used matter always protein. For the pepper, I'll be using my long pepper and my short pepper. I'll add in some scotch bonnet pepper, onion. Yes, another trick you want to use for making this is a lot of onion. I'll just go and rinse this with my vinegar and I'll roughly chop this. For the okra, it's ready. I have the one I'm going to be blending. I have the one I'm going to be using for garnishing, and I have my roughly chopped one. Now, into this, you want to add in your fish or any other protein, but because I'm using a stock fish here, the fresh one, is kind of thick, so I'm going to be adding this into the meat just so that everything will cook together. You just stir everything around and add a bit of water and allow this to cook. After that, we'll add some oil, adding your pepper mixture into the pot. Now it's time for us to start cooking. For this okra, we don't need too much chemistry, just going straight to the point because we want to make it slimy. Now we're adding your locust bean. This is optional if you don't want it. Remember, not too much drama, no frying in this okra. We're adding our chicken stock, or you adding your meat stock into it, or water preferable. You're going with more pepper, optional. Crayfish, yes, the crayfish, you have to be generous with it. This will give it a test like the total test. You're going with your seasoning cube. If you like, you put one packet, that's your business. Then you add the meat. Say you want to make the meat done, like you want to make it very, very soft and tender, so the cooking process continue. Now, I remember I told you we're not frying in this process. We are going to be cooking, not frying, because we want to make the okra slimy. We are just going to be cooking immediately. Now, the first part of okra you want to add is this grated okra. This is what will give it its slimy, you know, that draw test, you know, that draw feeling. You want to blend this okra very well, to blend the seed as well. This will make it very, very slimy. You gently stir this around. You go in with your vegetable, but in here I'm using uziza leaf. You can use bitter leaf or any vegetable of your choice. I'll go in with some crab. This is optional, but you know me, when I'm making my okra soup, I like to go in with some crab. Now you want to add a second batch of the okra, that's the roughly chopped okra, into the okra soup. Just stir this around. Now the trick at this moment, you have to add hot water, like hot boiling water. Yes, you don't put cold water into hot water. You cover this and allow this to boil, and you come back and add your garnished okra. My dear, follow this step by step and come and thank me later. You're going to have yourself a very slimy okra soup. Now you want to go in with your boiled fish. You know, this will come in last because they're already boiled already. You just go in and incorporate everything into the soup. Allow this to boil for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and your slimy okra soup done ready. You're going to feel like you're eating ogbonna soup. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Thank you everyone for always supporting your girl. It's a girl, Martha Owe. Don't forget to share, subscribe. God bless you, everyone. And I told you guys, yes, you can now request a birthday song or a birthday video on my storefront. Yes, look at it out and let me know what you think about it. Bye. It's a girl, Martha Owe. Love you all.